Hi there, students. To base something on something else. Something is based on something else. So this means the foundation of it is. Maybe you have a statue and it has a base. But we very often use based on to mean a thing that you can form or develop something else from. So my decision is based on the information you gave me. This film is based on a book by D.H. Lawrence. This product is based on an idea that came from India. This recipe is based on a Chinese recipe. So the origin, the basic things of it, come from the originator. So if one thing is based on another, the first thing is the foundation. In most languages, the language is the foundation of the language is the grammar. But in English, it's the other way round. And the language is the foundation of the grammar that we teach and we use. Okay, so I think it's a bit the wrong way round. The economy of this country is based on tourism. This is the thing that holds it up. Okay, so something is based on tourism. The economy is based on tourism. People base their economy on tourism. The film is based on a book. The author based the film on a book. So now, our formality. To base something on is neutral formality. You can use it both in an informal conversation and in a formal writing, so nice and flexible. And remember as well, to base is a regular verb. Based, based. Okay, so to base one thing on another, to use something to develop something else and make something that's different or similar but with a different flavour, with different qualities. Okay, so there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To base on, based on.